This is my knee, my beautiful knee, my happy, happy knee. I really love my knee. I'm sorry. I had knee surgery a year and a half ago, after about 7 years of pain, but they fixed it with this. Oh yes, it's my name on the knee. See, it's my Stephanie Donovan, and I have a serial number there that apparently is in there too. I mean, I actually wish that you could make this a little smaller and I'd wear it as a pendant every day. That's how much I love it. Do you know it took me 2 days to recover from a Taylor Swift concert that I brought my daughter to? And all I did was stand. But now I can dance at a Taylor Swift concert. And I can walk, and I go hiking with my dog for hours and hours in the woods and up hills and rocks and mountains. This is my knee. That gave me my life back. That gave me my long walks in the woods back and the walks on the beach back. My husband, my daughter, and my dog would be very unhappy without this knee, as would I. So we are a team now, forever grateful to my knee.